how are you?
Good. So you're good right here. We just want to let you know you're good right here, but not to come any further because we have to conduct an investigation.
Oh, shit. You already know where he's going. Yeah, he's going back to the 7-Eleven. Same guy. Here he goes.
They asked me to trespass you.
They asked you to trespass me?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know.
What did they say exactly?
They will always do that. Every time.
Yeah, I figured that's when he walked over there.
Yeah, every time that you're recording in a public place, they'll come up and they'll ask for me to have you trespass off of the property.
Here, take my phone if I get arrested right now. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. This one's going to feature 2 videos and a short video of my own. This one's going to showcase the predatory tactics that Mesa police use to keep the cameras away from recording their activities. This first video comes to us from She Films Close Up and her experience with the Mesa tyrants and their trespassing games. Be sure to head over to her channel, watch the full video, and subscribe, and let her know that Direct D sent you. Now let's get to the video.
Hello. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good. So you're good right here. We just want to let you know you're good right here, but not to come any further because we have to conduct an investigation. Okay?
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Hey, question, are you putting tape up by chance?
What was that?
Are you going to put tape up by chance?
We might.
So there seemed to be a pretty solid understanding that she wasn't to come any closer, and she agreed she wouldn't do that. Now I want you to keep something in mind as you watch this next part. These officers have a stop conducted on a completely separate property than she's standing on. And she's already agreed to not come any closer. But that's not good enough. This officer is about to come over onto a separate property away from where his stop is to try and get her trespassed off of it so she can't film them. This kind of behavior from a public servant that accepts your tax dollars is unfrickin' acceptable.
So I'm on Gilbert Road and Broadway, right next to a Chevron. Where are you going? I'm watching you. I'm watching you be weird and shady. Oh, shit. You already know where he's going. You already know where he's going. He's gotta go pee. He's gotta go talk to the owner. Dude, these guys, man.
So that officer was foiled the first time he attempted to trespass her off a property that they're not even on at the moment. But that was number 1. Here's number 2.
He's going back to the 7-Eleven? Yeah, he's going back to the 7-Eleven. Same guy. Here he goes. Oh. I thought that was the employee. Maybe it is. Maybe that's the guy who works here, Chevron. I mean, what could he be possibly talking about over there?
ask you.
They asked you to trespass me?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know.
What did they say exactly?
They will always do that every time.
Yeah,
that
I
you're-
figured that's when he walked over
Yeah,
there.
every time that you're recording in a public place, they'll come up and they'll ask for me to have you trespass off of the property.
How do you, as somebody that works here, combat that? What do you tell them?
I just told them that you're not harming us, you're not harming anything, you know what I mean? You're doing your job as a citizen, you know what I mean? So
I appreciate it.
yeah,
No.
no problem. I was just letting you know that they will do that every time you go.
That's why I filmed him walking over twice.
Yeah.
Crazy, right? Think of the malicious intent involved to go out of your way to trespass somebody from property that you're not even on.
Thank you. I appreciate you. So you heard it there. I was right. When he walked over, he went to solicit a trespass. That's the employee walking away who just spoke to me and told me that that officer went in there talking to him, asking him to trespass me.
Here we have another incident of predatory trespassing tactics by the Mesa Police Department committed on Phil Martinez. So in the video you're about to see, the Mesa Police Department had a car pulled over in a gas station parking lot and they suspected them of DUI. According to what Phil observed upon approaching the traffic stop is a Mesa police officer tell the driver's passenger to get out and then get off the property or else they were going to be cited for trespassing or loitering. Phil calls them out for this during the video and they end up going inside trying to trespass Phil. It doesn't work out so well for him. Check it out.
Don't worry, I already got him on video saying I can record you guys. I also got him on video saying he didn't tell you to tell her, the partner, to leave. Let's go watch this guy solicit a trespass. I actually have a membership. I have a membership at this Circle K. For $5.99 you can get a drink. You hear that? I already asked that. What's your name and badge number, Mr. Cohen? Name and badge number, sir. I need you to identify yourself in writing. Thank you very much. So when you told that lady to leave, you're wrong. Can I get your supervisor out here, please? I'd like to file a report against you for telling someone they have to leave for loitering when no one asked that. Your name.
Yes, sir. It is 124.
Thank you, sir. Fucking piece of shit. Bet your wife thinks you're fucking real respectful, huh? I just caught you doing something stupid, you fucking idiot. Oh, yeah, he did. Oh, I got it on video. I literally got him asking. I already got the guy on video telling me I could stay, though.
Crazy stuff, right? And that's just two of many clips. I could put a whole lot more video up there of this. Be sure to head over to She Films Close Up and Phil Martinez's channel and subscribe and let them know that Direct D sent you that way. Now this next clip is my footage. This is exactly how a trespassing should go down. I wonder how many of them he owns. Uh-oh. Here, take my phone if I get arrested right now. Can I get your name and badge number first? What's yours? Thank you, sir.
Okay, you guys are good. So we totally respect what you guys are doing. We're not here to jam you up or be mean to you guys. We were doing our thing and the guy came out and said, hey, please ask those guys to not be on the property.
And that is correct. The guy came out of the store and told the officers he didn't want us there. The officers didn't go in and solicit a trespass. But don't be fooled by this officer's calm and cool demeanor and how slick he's talking to us. Because this is the same predatory officer from She Films Close Up video that you just watched in the beginning of this video. He's all smiles and Mr. Cool right now, but he was trying to get her trespassed and then potentially arrested the last time you seen him. Yeah, that's why we're not.
If you guys are on the sidewalk, you're totally good. But I know you walked in, he says he doesn't even want you inside. Okay? And that's not me, that's him. Okay?
Wow.
So, I just want to say you guys are both verbally trespassed from here. There's also trespassing signs. We don't want to cite anybody. We don't want to do anything like that.
Well, I mean, they said they don't want us here, which is totally fine, but you guys can't tell us that they have to tell us they don't want us here, like he just did. That was totally correct, the way that just happened.
And then so there's also the signs.
And you guys didn't say anything to us prior to that, which is excellent.
Yeah, and we're not trying to jam you guys up. We're not trying to be mean or cause problems. We just
Hey.
want to let you guys know what's up.
We just want to
you guys are
film.
good on the sidewalk.
We haven't yelled at you or nothing, right? We haven't been disrespectful? Okay, all right. You too.
And you got a Buccaneers hat.
Look, you know, I'm a Raiders fan, and my niece and nephew gave me this. So.
Check that shit out. Yeah.
He told on himself or told on her or something.
I thought they were going to come and arrest me right now. I was getting ready to hand you my phone.
Yeah, the way they walked up.
Time to go to jail again, I guess.
Does Mesa police have a culture problem?
No, we do not.
That's